коллеги, меня зовут Палтиева Гозял Полатовна, представляю Жаркентский высший гуманитарлық-технический колледж, преподаватель английского языка. Okay, let's begin. I'm glad to see you today. Today is the 7th of March, and what does it mean, girls? That tomorrow will be our Women's International Day, yes? I'll ask you to come here, make a circle, and to say all words to each other in order to make your day better. First, I'll say some words. Shattaq. I congratulate you with our Women's Day, and I wish you to notice even little miracle and be happy every day.
Thank you. Harakat. Face your fears and overcome all challenges. Seize every moment and the victory is yours. Thank you.
Jeanette, I wish you the best of everything.
Thank you.
Shahniza, I wish you to be full of only happiness and happiness for your life.
Louder, girls, louder, speak louder.
Aynaram, I wish you don't give up and always enjoy life.
Thank you. Anar, may all your dreams come true.
Thank you. Mihrul, I wish you every success.
Thank you. Tahmina, wishing you all the best for the future. May you achieve everything that you want.
Thank you. Miri, I wish you a bright and colorful future in which all your dreams come true.
Thank you. Jansaya, may you become more wiser, prosperous, and successful than the day before. Good luck.
Thank you. Ivana, I wish you to dream and to believe in the bright future.
Thank you. Malika, I wish you good mood, health, and a lot of wonderful emotions.
Thank you. Gozyal Polatовна, I wish you happiness.
Okay, thank you so much, girls. You may take your seats. I hope that your words will come true. Okay, pay attention. The quickest way to know a woman is to go shopping with her. Okay, how do you understand these words? Please, you may say your minds. Who wants to say again?
According to women's shopping, we may say about her preferences, tastes, and interests. For example, what style in clothes does she prefer? What colors or what genres in books does she like?
Okay, very nice. Who else? Jinsaya?
Also, we can say about his thrift. For example, does she lay out all money she has or she spends economically?
Yes, of course. She lay out all money at once or she is economically, yes? Now, and what is the topic of today's lesson?
Shops.
Of course, shops and shopping, yes. Now, I have some questions to you. Do you like to go shopping, girls? Do you like to go shopping?
Yes.
I think that each woman likes to go to shopping, yes? Do you often go shopping? Anna, please?
No, I don't go shopping that often, unless I really need something. I only go shopping once or twice a month, and most often I like to visit shoe stores.
Shoe stores, okay, very nice. The next question, who usually goes shopping in your family?
Usually I go shopping with mom because I can learn how to choose necessary and comfortable clothes.
Yes, okay, thank you. What do you like to buy? What do you like? And explain it, please, Idana.
I like to buy useful things that I will use for a long time, and some of my favorite things are clothes and cosmetics.
Cosmetics, is I see. Cosmetics. How can you name your person who like to buy something so much, very much? Malika?
Such kinds of people are named shopaholics. They like to buy everything and can't resist themselves.
Okay, yes. Are you shopaholic, Malika?
Yes.
Oh, okay, thank you. And the last question, do you use any online marketplaces?
Recording in progress.
Yes, I use online stores, for example, June, Kaspi.
Okay, thank you, Dana. Thank you so much. You see on the board different types of shops. Okay. Please, maybe somebody will read. Yeah.
Types of shops: news agents, bakery, florists, fishmongers, department store.
Department store. The next column, okay, Lily?
Shoe shop, butchers, clothes shop, chemists, and jewelers.
Jewelers, yes. And how do you think yours? Not how do you think. What type of another shops can you name? Another type. Greengrocery, hat shops, shoe shops, toy shops. A lot of different shops. Yes. Okay. Let's pass to our next practical stage of our lesson. It is matching exercises. I gave you assessment sheet, and you see that how to evaluate each exercise. Okay, I'll show you this assessment sheet. Oh, sorry. If you have some mistakes, it will be 50 till 60%. If you have few mistakes, for example, 4 or 5 mistakes, it will be from 60 till 70%. And without mistakes, 70 and 75%. Now, I'll give you a little time. You may begin writing and fix. After that, we shall do it at the board, okay? Please begin. Begin. I think that a minute, maybe some little will be enough for you. You may write as A with letters, okay? Have you finished yours? Or you have needed some time? Yes. I think that it will be enough. Let's do it in the edge report.
Where can you check your clothes when they are dirty? Dry cleaners.
Okay, very nice. Thank you. The next, please, yours. Malika, be active, please. The next one.
Can you have a haircut?
Haircut?
Hairdress.
Yes, of course, and hairdressers. Okay, thank you. The next, Anna, speak louder, yours, okay?
Where do they sell cakes and bread? At a bakery.
Yes, of course, at a bakery. Thank you. The next, actively, shut up, boy, come back up.
Where do they sell cakes and bread?
The next, Farafat. Okay. The next, from the second subgroup, Mihrigul, for example.
Where can you get a present for a friend?
Okay.
Gift shop?
Yes, of course, at a gift shop. The next, Giselle.
Where do you post letters and parcels? At the post office.
Butchers, yes? Post office, sorry. Tahkina?
Where can you buy sausage? Butchers.
At the butchers, yes, we can buy Meat, sausages. Okay, thank you. Have you one more question? Yes. Read first the question.
Where can you find everything? Food, drinks, newspaper, and a magazine in one small shop, local shop.
Yes, it is named as a local shop. Okay. And the last one, the last question. Jean-Pierre. Don't afraid. Don't afraid.
Where can you buy toothpaste and medicine at the pharmacy?
Yes, at the pharmacy, of course. Okay, very nice. We could find all necessary answers to the questions. Yes. The next slide. Girls. Quizlet. You know what is it? Yes. Quizlet. You know what is that app? Yes, girls. I'll send you now a link, and you must open it and do exercises. You know, yes, that it consists of 4 stages. What are they? Cards, memorization, test, and selection. Yes. Each of these stages you must pass. Let's see it. Okay, Shahnisa, Dana, all of us is here, yes? We can follow the results of our work. Please, I'll give you only 3 minutes, you may begin, girls. Don't forget about your assessment sheets, okay? In the assessment sheets, these stages are here too. You must fix all your results. Pages you must give the ending result. You know how to count, yes, girls? Have you finished?
Yes.
The second subgroup? What about you? We see, yes, the results on our interactive board, have done or not. Yes. Only one student hasn't finished. Who is it? Who is she? Tahmina, have you finished? Okay, I see that all of you have finished. Please don't forget about fixing your counts, all 4 stages. Okay, thank you so much. We see that green colors are that this exercise has finished. Okay, thank you so much, girls. Our next stage, we know that our lexical theme, shops and shopping, is closely connected with grammar theme, degrees of comparison of adjectives. Yes, of course. Let's first remember what you know about this grammar theme. I'll ask you some questions. How many types of degrees of comparison?
Three types.
You know? 3 types, yes. What are they? What are they, girls? What are they?
Comparative,
First.
Positive,
Positive.
superlative.
Positive, comparative, and superlative. Yes. How can we make comparative form? Dana, how can we form? What must we add to the end of the adjective?
ER.
Yes, we must add ending ER. Okay, thank you. What about the superlative? Anna?
To make superlative adjectives, we use est.
EST. What else? What else? Don't forget about what? Ending EST and definite article there. Okay, thank you. Now let's open our electronic book. This module is 9 module. What happened with her? Mine's dark. Here you see sentences where you must put adjectives in superlative form. Okay, look through according to the meaning you know. Is it clear the task?
Yes.
Is it clear? Let's first write into your notebooks. You may write only girls, only adjectives, okay? Don't write all the sentence, only adjectives. Okay. Don't forget about irregular adjectives, okay? About irregular adjectives. And don't forget about the assessment sheet. Assessment sheet. You must mark your results. Yes, you are only adjectives. Be in a hurry, girls. Be in a hurry. The second subgroup, have you finished? I see that you are finishing, yes? Okay, let's do it at the book. Let's check up it. Writing, of course, yes? Who wants to begin? Who wants to begin? Somebody, please. You don't work today. You are not active today. What must we do?
where is the bed? It's near here.
Okay, somebody, can you name 3 forms of these adjectives?
Good, best, and the best.
Good, better, the best. Okay, thank you. The next sentence. The next. Pay attention to the mistakes, Harakat.
What is the most difficult language to learn?
3F.
I'm just kidding.
What type of adjective is it? Harakat. why we add most, the word most.
Superlative, and this word have many syllables.
This, by another way, how we may say it? Compound adjective. Yes, it is compound adjective that we must add a necessary word as the most. Yes, the next sentence.
What's the name of yours youngest child?
Youngest child, of course. Do we need article? Okay, we shall check up at the end. Okay, thank you. The next sentence. Ajangerke, why don't you are not active today, please? You must look and check up here too, okay? Okay, read once more.
What was the most successful son of time?
Of all time. Okay, Jean-Marc, thank you. Pay attention to your pronunciation, Dana.
What's the busiest day in your office?
Okay, what's the busiest? In three forms, Dana?
Busiest, easier, the busiest.
Okay, thank you. The next, Jansaya.
What is the earliest bus to the airport?
To the airport. What type of adjective is it? Superlative. And what? Simple or compound?
Simple.
Simple, of course. Really?
Where's the biggest swimming pool in the city?
Biggest swimming pool in the city. Don't be in a hurry, I have a mistake. The biggest, okay, thank you. The eighth sentence, the second subgroup is not active. Вихрибуль, shut up, please.
What time is worst traffic?
Yes. I have a question. What type of adjective is it? What type of adjective is it? Superlative. And what else? What else? What type of thing? Irregular, of course. Irregular adjective. That next.
Who's the richest sportsman or woman in your country?
Thank you so much. And the last sentence is, thank you. The last, Malika. Malika.
What is the largest cinema in
Now let's check up your answers and you must explain why the mistakes are wrong. Wait, sorry, the answers. We have one mistake, yes, where I said, whose sentence is it? What's the name of your youngest child? Why is this mistake? You must take out the article there, yes? Okay. Thank you, girls. You know this grammar, it's not difficult, yes? We must only add necessary adjectives, no irregular adjectives, and it is all. The next stage, okay. Defending a post, yes? Now, modern technologies are evaluating our people's lifestyle, and we have not only markets and stores, we have online shops on the internet, yes? Do you agree? Yes. Do you use them? Yes. Do you buy something from Sasbi and other shops? Yes, okay. Now, but you know that we have advantages and disadvantages of this online shopping, yes? Your task, we have two subgroups, yes? The first subgroup will write advantages for online shopping, and the second subgroup will write disadvantages against the online shopping. I'll give you 3 minutes. I think that it will be enough. You may fix them. Have you only you may write terminologies, okay? Don't write all the sentences. Write arrows, okay?
For online shopping each time, I think takes in average for 10-15 minutes to buy good things in online shopping, and it saves for your time.
Okay, of course, it's time.
In my opinion, another task is a huge range of goods, and it's customary to say that you can find all the products of the world on the internet, and this is not an exaggeration.
Reliable. One of online shopping, when we make you can safely reserve the goods in the right quantity, pay for it, and get it in your hands. They hold it.
Okay.
Advantage for online shopping. Advantage for online shopping is free delivery. Also today many such stores offer free delivery for large orders.
Yeah.
I can add that when entering an online store, the client doesn't need to wait for the manager, stand in line, and listen to advice that he doesn't need. If he needs advice, he can always contact online support.
The next advantage for online shopping is a price. That is, in most online stores, a certain number of products, especially household appliances and electronic goods, are cheaper than in a regular store.
Okay. Okay, very nice, girl. There are a lot of prices or pluses of online shopping advantages. Yes, I see. Thank you so much. The next subgroup. Girls, don't be in a hurry and a little loud, okay?
No advantages of online shopping. Many choosing a
both focus not only on practical data but also on what shade of it has, what size it has, what shades of weight it is, and how it smells. When shopping online, all these details are not possible to catch.
Okay.
The next, according to my opinion, disadvantage of online shopping is that products doesn't match the quality.
Yeah, the products must be not high quality. Yes.
The next minus of online selection and exchange shops, there is no way to touch, hold. It is your hands or try it. Of course, many stores will exchange the product if you don't like it or don't fit, but all this can take long.
Yes, everything it takes a lot of time. Because it is don't fit you, maybe you don't like it. Everything it needs some time. Yes.
The next against facts of online selection, garbage goes during transportation. Torn or crumbled package damage fragile items. This is especially unpleasant if the product was executed for somebody.
Yeah, transportation is a disadvantage. Yes.
I think that online shopping is a bit risky because it may send a product or completely completely wrong. Also, you can make a mistake with the size of the thing may not sit on you at all as you expect.
Also, do not forget about intruders on the network. Sometimes the store's website itself disappears. In addition, online payments are not very reliable. Customers should be careful and providing their personal data.
I think online shops will be problems with delivery, additional shopping costs and long waiting times. In some cases and up to the several weeks. Therefore, such purchases need to be considered in advance in order to get them decided in times, especially if it is a gift.
Okay, thank you, Gil, so much. Yes, you see that all things have as pluses as minuses too, as advantages and disadvantages too. Thank you so much. You may assess to each other, I think, yes, to each other. For example, the second will evaluate the first, and the first group will evaluate the second group. You may pay attention to pronunciation, to grammatical speech. Yes, what is my pen? What did I learn today? What problems I have today? For example, what do I need help with? And everything, your emotions, yes? Your attitude to today's lesson. Do you like it or not? Maybe you had some problems. You may say your opinions, okay? Now, girls, please, what do you learn today, girls? What do you learn today?
I have learned more about different types of shops.
Yes, you learned with all of us. Yes, learned information about different types of shops. What do you think? What did you do well today at the lesson? What exercise? Anna, please.
I have done grammar exercise well.
Yes, each answer was excellent. Anna, I confused about. What am I confused about? Hi, Dana.
I didn't confuse for anything.
Okay, very nice. Anything, you haven't any problem, I think. Today was interesting thing. The grammar thing was easy too. Okay, the next question was, what do I need help with? What help do I need? Do you need some help or not?
I need some help with expressing my points.
Okay, thank you. What I'm going to work next time? What are you going to work about next time?
I'm going to learn more about world markets.
Okay, I think that about world markets will be interesting for each of us. Okay, girls, I think that our lesson was excellent today. You may fix your marks in your assessment sheets and give me at the end of the lesson. And your home task is to write an essay about, write down, girls, your home task is about the essay about I like and use online shopping. I like and use online shopping. Have you written? Yes. Okay. Is that all? Thank you for the lesson, girls. Goodbye.
Goodbye.